need to expose your Python functions as network-accessible tools that AI models can call. We'll deploy a FastMCP server with HTTP transport in just 10 lines of code, making your tools available to remote clients over a standard web port. You'll see how to configure the host, port, and endpoint path, then test it with a simple browser request. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. MCP equals FastMCP, my server. At MCP, tool. Def process data input, SDR. Process data on the server. Return F processed, input. If name equals main. MCP, run transport equals HTTP, host equals 0,0,0,0, port equals 8000. This demonstrates the HTTP server pattern for exposing local RPC capabilities as network-accessible services. The code transforms a FastMCP server from a local STDIO interface into a remote HTTP endpoint, making tools callable across processes, machines, or even cloud environments. What distinguishes this approach is its ability to maintain the same tool definitions while changing only the transport layer, preserving your business logic while extending its reach. The pattern works by abstracting transport concerns behind a consistent interface. Your tool functions remain unchanged, while the run method with HTTP transport creates a web server that translates MCP protocol messages to HTTP requests. This separation means you can develop tools locally with STDIO, then deploy them remotely with HTTP by changing just one line of configuration without modifying your core logic. This approach solves the problem of making local tools network accessible without rewriting them as REST APIs. It's particularly valuable for AI integrations, microservices, or any scenario where you need to expose Python functions to remote clients. The trade-off is minimal. You gain network accessibility with almost no additional code, while maintaining the simplicity of direct function calls. Let's break it down line by line. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. This imports FastMCP, the core class for creating AI callable tools. It bridges your Python functions to AI models, handling serialization, transport, and schema generation automatically. MCP equals FastMCP, my server. This instantiates the FastMCP server with the identifier, my server. The server instance becomes the central registry for all AI callable tools, managing their execution and transport layer. At MCP, tool. Def process data input, SDR. Process data on the server. The @MCP tool decorator registers this function as an AI callable tool. FastMCP uses the type hints and docstring to auto-generate the tool schema, ensuring the AI understands the input-output contract. This is the standard pattern for exposing Python functions to AI models through FastMCP. Return F processed, input. This transforms the input string into a processed result, demonstrating the tool's core functionality. The F-string format ensures the output maintains context about the operation performed, which is critical for AI model interpretation. This pattern of returning structured, predictable responses is essential for reliable tool integration. If name equals main. This is Python's standard entry point guard. It ensures MCP, run, only executes when the script runs directly, not when imported as a module. Without it, importing this file would accidentally start the server. MCP, run transport equals HTTP, host equals 0,0,0,0, port equals 8000. This launches the FastMCP server with HTTP transport, binding to all network interfaces on port 8000. The 0000 host ensures external visibility, while the port specifies where clients connect. This is the standard entry point pattern for production-ready tool servers. FastMCP HTTP server pattern. This minimal HTTP server implementation demonstrates how FastMCP abstracts network complexity, letting you focus on tool logic while handling all protocol details automatically. The default MCP endpoint path is always /MCP, not customizable through the simple run method. A single run call transforms your Python functions into a network-accessible service with full streaming support.
The server that hides its protocol becomes all protocols.